And integrity starts with respect of the Constitution and the rule of law. My experience in the last 6 years as the Director of Public Prosecutions has been marred with a lot of tough wars, simply because we have to have an honest conversation with ourselves as institutions that are mandated with dealing with corruption. And I would want to start with the acknowledgement that I think corruption has become systemic in the system, and that corrective measures must be put in place urgently. However, we can only succeed to do that if the institutions mandated to do this actually have integrity. And integrity starts with respect of the Constitution and the rule of law. My experience in the last 6 years as the Director of Public Prosecutions has been marred with a lot of tough wars, simply because institutions that have clear mandates opted to interpret the Constitution to favor themselves and encroach on other people's mandates. So if we cannot respect the Constitution and the rule of law and align ourselves, then, sir, we are not going to succeed in this endeavor that we are trying to do. And when I talk about constitutionalism, I actually mean that all laws must be aligned to the Constitution. We cannot have certain institutions operating under old legislations that do not conform to the Constitution. Because when that happens, then nobody will be there to respect the rule of law. We need to look into the institutions that we had and ensure that we have integrity in the processes that we are undertaking. If we continue working with the same officers